All right, thank you for joining me. Today I wanted to do a quick technical analysis video on Quant. As you can see here, the foundation of the blockchain economy. Okay, yeah, the T is cut off. They should probably change that unless that was intentional. Anyway, so let's go ahead and dive right into the charts, right? So I have been analyzing this coin for quite a while. And as you can see, in the very beginning, obviously had a massive impulse up, sold off, and now it's right back to this major support, which is the point of control for this entire range, right? So after it ranged a little bit on the below here, it impulsed higher, was range bound, and then impulsed higher again. Couldn't sustain those prices, so price failed and sold off and came right back down to the support level. Now, I am pretty bullish on Quant right now because, as you can see, this is a major point of control. So since October of 2023 until now, the most volume has been traded at approximately $100, right? I mean, psychologically, it does make sense as well. Now, price has tapped those levels, bounced off the weekly level, the point of control, value area low, and also did a swing failure. All great long entry triggers. It has reclaimed the other point of control, which I have drawn since this massive sell-off. And what does that lead me to believe? It leads me to believe, after also additionally breaking out of this trend line, right, this dynamic resistance, that we are going to go for higher targets. Now, the first resistance, as you can see, is around 106, 107, but the main target would be this daily level above at about 108. Now, I do believe we're going to get past that, and I think the main resistance will be this weekly level above. As you can see, this was a major resistance before this sell-off, which happened, and you're talking about a 13% drop in price after it got rejected from this level. And this level also held as support, right, numerous times. So this is a very important support resistance zone, right? So I would say this would be my first target. Obviously, the value area high will be the last target for this range in general, right? So just speaking about this range from the lows to the highs, right? So this would be my main target for this current range. So with that being said, from the price where it is right now, you're looking at a 10% gain to the weekly level, 13% to the value area high. Now, if that level does get flipped into support, then we'll target the monthly level above, which is right in between this little support resistance zone. As you can see, support, failed it, resistance, went up, support, failed it, back tested as resistance, and came down. So that would be the major target, but realistically, if we can at least get up to here, I'll be pretty happy with that. I am in a long position right now. I did post that on my X account. So if you do go down, boom, Matic, BTC, QUANT, see, weekly level, follow me for more great setups. And I entered at $100.20. And if we go back to the chart, that was down here, right? So I entered right there. After we got the swing failure of the level, we reclaimed a monthly level down here. So that was really my entry trigger, right? So we had a swing failure of the lows. We reclaimed the monthly. I said, you know what? Let me go in, entered it, and it has paid out quite nicely so far. Looking at so since that post, that was 2%. Now we are about 4%. So it doubled in percentage since my last post. But yeah, that's pretty much it with Quant. Those are my targets. Main ones would be 115, and the best target would be the monthly above at about 137. Remember to like, subscribe, follow me on X. I have a free Telegram group, which I do update all of my entries and exits, pretty much like 90% of them. Sometimes I forget to update it, but like, subscribe to my account, and also follow me on X. And yeah, I do a lot of updates. As you can see, Matic, HBAR, BTC, slowly gaining in followers, trying to hit that 100 be really nice if you can hit that follow for me on x.com. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining. Have a great day and good luck with your trades. Always use risk management.